Today I'm going to make one of my favorite sauces, and it's one of the more popular sauces around the world, teriyaki sauce. It takes about 5 minutes to make, and once you see how it's made, you'll probably never want to buy a bottle of teriyaki sauce again, because you can make it just before every meal that you're going to use it in, or make it a batch of it and store it and use it for months. So here we go. Okay, teriyaki sauce is made with some simple ingredients. We can start off with some soy sauce. You have to make sure it's naturally brewed, because a lot of soy sauce is made just with, water, cornstarch stuff. So make sure it's either traditionally brewed or naturally brewed. It's also made with sake. This is cooking sake. It's not drinking sake. This huge bottle costs like $5. It's made with Mirin, which is another kind of rice wine. It's a little bit hard to find these days because a lot of the Japanese shops are closed, but I found this at Ralph's, which is really lucky. And then some sort of sweetener. I'm going to be using raw honey. Traditionally, regular sugar is used, but that's okay. So I'm going to start off with a 1/4 cup of honey. You can use more or less depending on how sweet you like it. I'm going to use a little bit less. Okay, put it into the saucepan. I'm going to use 1 cup of soy sauce. I'm going to use 1/3 cup of sake. Since I can't find my 1/3 cup measure, I'm going to use 1/4 and 1/2 cup. Of the sake. And I'm going to use 3/4 of a cup of Mirin. I meant 3/4 of a cup for the sake also. So once we have all the ingredients in the pan, I'm going to heat it up. And we don't want to get it really hot. It's all we want to do is dissolve the honey or sugar or whatever your sweetener is into the liquid. We're not trying to burn off the alcohol or anything. Just hot enough to get that honey dissolved in there. And now that I have it made, I'm going to put it into a bottle. Put a funnel there. Pour it nice and slowly. Okay. Cap this. And there we go. That little bit of extra I'm going to do something different with a little later. But that's it.